Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on Amazon Prime Video. Now, here's something important to understand right from the start. You cannot delete only the Prime Video portion of your account. Prime Video is tied to your main Amazon account, so the only way to fully remove Prime Video access is to either cancel your Prime Video membership or close your entire Amazon account. Let's walk through how to cancel your membership. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Prime Membership. This will take you to a page where you can manage all aspects of your Amazon Prime subscription. Now, even though I'm not currently subscribed to Amazon Prime, I'll guide you through the next steps so you know exactly what to expect. Once you're on the Prime membership page, look near the top for an option that says Manage Membership. Click on it. This section is where Amazon gives you control over your subscription settings, including the ability to end your membership. Next, you'll see an option labeled End Membership and Benefits. If you have a Prime Video only plan, this might simply say End Membership. Either way, click on that option. Amazon will then prompt you to confirm your decision. Depending on your account type, you might see a button that says End Trial, End Membership, or another similar option. Go ahead and click whichever confirmation button appears on your screen. After that, you'll be given a choice. You can either end your membership immediately or continue using Prime Video until the end of your current billing cycle. I recommend clicking Continue or End on the date shown, as this allows you to get the full value of what you've already paid for. Once you've made your selection, Amazon will ask you to confirm one more time. Click End Membership again on the confirmation screen to finalize the cancellation. Once everything is processed, you should receive an email from Amazon confirming that your Prime membership has been canceled. Be sure to check your inbox for this confirmation so you have a record of the cancellation. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Amazon Prime Video membership. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.